All right, I want to submit images of my written work for one of my Canvas assignments. And so let's take a look here. Now this one I can see I already made a submission. If this is the first time you're making a submission, the screen will look a little bit different. It'll have the text submission box and then it'll say submit an assignment in the bottom right. And so here is where you would do that. So I'm not ready to do that one. I'm going to go back. And I'm going to do a resubmission on this one here. Okay, so what I want to do is I have to get the images. So I took pictures of each paper with my phone, and then on my phone, I made an email to myself and attached all the pictures. So now I'm going to go to my email on my computer and I can see each of the pictures. Now, when I did that, I gave them nice names. You can also do that when you download them. So when you download, it'll be something like maybe image 012345. So instead, you could type in here the name that you want it to be, like Math 5, Class 1, Page 1, and try to have them in order. That would be really nice. And then you can just hit save. And then do that for each of them. Download, name it, download, name it, download, name it. All right, so I already did that ahead of time. So I'm going to go back to my assignment. And then here I'm ready to insert them, and you should insert them in the same order. So here's one way to do that. You can go to the insert button and choose image and upload, which is the same thing as coming to this image button over here if you see that in your toolbar, and upload images. So either one does the same thing. And then I select the image to upload by clicking on that rocket, and then it takes me, I can see recent things in my download here. So let's go with that new one I just did. Open it. You don't have to have alternate text, but you could. And then submit it, and it'll drop it in there. Okay, then enter on the keyboard for a new line under that image. All I did is hit enter on the keyboard, and then again, I'm going to insert an image. So you can do that either place, click, and then select the next image. I want page 2 next. Open, make sure it looks like the right page. Submit, enter on the keyboard to get a new line under that image. Insert image, or hit the image button, click for however many you have. I'm just going to do 3 pages today. All right, so once you're done inserting them, okay, eventually it'll save the draft. If it gets stuck on saving draft and doesn't let you see the submit, push the submit assignment button, if you just go to the next assignment and then go back to this assignment, then usually it corrects itself. And then submit it, that's it. Alternatively, you could try to do this from either Canvas through the web browser on your phone or through the Canvas app on your phone. It works pretty similar, and you can insert multiple images, and then I can scroll and see that all the images are in there. All right, looks good. All right. I'm gonna do, let's go back to the other one, and I want to show you a slightly different way. Notice this right here in the gray box just has a link. That link is to a Google Doc that I use to scan each pages into one. So I use Google Drive on my phone to take pictures of the pages, and then Google Drive put them in one file. So I don't have 3 different files to deal with, or 4, or whatever you have. So I'll show you how to do that next. So I'm going to do a new attempt here. All right. So there's another video I sent out on how to use Google Drive app on your phone. So let's see, I need to go to my Google Drive. And in my Google Drive from my phone, I uploaded this file that has scanned in 3 pictures of my work. And in that video on my phone, I had set the share so that anyone can view. So I'm just going to double check that. I'm going to click the share button here. And what you want to make sure is the general access is not restricted, but is anyone with the link so that I can see it. It's the same link whether it's restricted or not. So that's no big deal. Okay, so I just copied the link there. So again, you can also do this on your phone. You could have copied the link on your phone, gone into Canvas, submitted the link. Here's the best way to submit the link. So again, share, copy link, make sure general access is anyone with the link. And then in the Canvas assignment, what you're going to do is in the box here, click in the box, click the link button. It's an external link. And then you're going to type something like, this is what in class one. And then where it says link is where you're going to paste in, or Control V on the keyboard or Command V if you're a Mac user, the link that Google sent us, that URL. Done, boom. And then submit. And in one shot, I have them all. All right, hope this helps. We'll get used to it. Keep up the good work. I'll see you soon.